Hey guys, so I have been trying to record this video since the day after Christmas, so a couple days now, and it's just been crazy around here. The kids are home, so one of them is napping right now, so hopefully I can do this before he wakes up and before anybody else gets home from like work or anything like that. So I'm just going to show you what I got for Christmas. I got some really cool stuff, and it's fun having adult children that can purchase things purchase things for you. So I'm gonna do just real quick some of the stuff that I got. I got my cute, oh, this light is gonna be a lot, huh? All right, so I got this cute little Rainbow Bright figurine. Love anything from back in the day. This is 40 years of Rainbow Bright. I used to have Rainbow Bright, and what was the little squishy thing, the little teddy bear thing? Oh, I can't remember her name. Starts with an S. I can't remember, but that's cute. I used to have those. Then I got this little thing for my watch, little Hello Kitty. I love Hello Kitty. These are silver, and actually my daughter got the rose gold one, so got those. Then I love this perfume. It's just very clean, very just, I love it. And I think you get it at you can get it at like Sephora or Ulta. It's called Amazing Grace, and it's by Philosophy. I love this stuff. So got that. I think my husband actually got me this. He also got me this perfume oil. It is the Nemit Amber. Love this stuff. Then I got, I don't know, I think my daughter might have got me this one. This was stuff that was in my stocking, so got that. Some little Hello Kitty cream. Then my husband bought me my little, if I can get it turned around here, my little gingerbread man Pandora charm. Can you see it there? I don't think you can see it. It's probably too bright. Hold on. Do this. Let's do this. Maybe you can see it better. So yeah, so I got that. I love gingerbread, and he always buys me a charm for just about every like holiday or anything like that. My daughter got me some Peeps because I love Peeps. Those are the Christmas ones. Then my youngest son, my baby boy, got me this mug. It's kind of, it says best mom ever. It's kind of dusty. It was in the box. It got like box dust on it, but I love that it's clear. I don't think I have any clear mugs, so he got me that one. They did like a little Santa workshop at school. They were able to take their little list of who they have to buy stuff for, and that's what he got me. Anybody knows I love socks, so these were in my stocking, and those, I love like fun socks. See my Hello Kitty socks on now. Then my daughter got me this purple. It's like a nice wine purple, or I don't know what color purple, plush blanket, super soft. Love it. I also got a couple of other mugs that I've shown, so if you want to see those, just check out my TikTok. I've been posting all the mugs that I've gotten for Christmas, so I've shown those. Oops, my earring just fell off. Got these cute little peanut butter and jelly earrings, and this one keeps falling off. I don't know why, but put you back on. I'm not sure why it keeps falling off, but there we go. And then you've got the peanut butter. It's got a cute little face. Okay, so these are my two favorite gifts that I got. It's pretty heavy, but my son got me a Dollhouse kit. And I'm sorry for the lighting. It's kind of funky in here, but got my little Dollhouse kit. This is actually in the 1/2 scale, so like 1/24 scale, which I've never worked in, but I think this is going to be good for like my first time actually building a dollhouse, like using a Dollhouse kit. So it's kind of cool. You can see all the little rooms and entries. So this is something I'll be working on. Hopefully I'll record the process for some of it. Again, I've never built one. It doesn't come with the shingles, so I'm going to have to figure out what I want to do for the roof, if I'm actually going to do shingles or just paint it. I'm not sure yet. So I love it. I was so happy. I was so happy. I've not built one from scratch. This is going to be super fun. And then another one. This is the one that my husband bought me. And when I tell you I reverted back to like my childhood when I wanted a dollhouse, and I did get one, but it wasn't the one that I wanted. Let me see if I can move the camera down a little bit here. See a little bit better. So he got me this little Tikes stack in style dollhouse. Let's see if I can pick it up here. It's kind of big. How am I going to do this? Let me see. Can I move it down some more? There we go. So he got me this one. It's pretty big. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rooms. And it does come with some furniture, but these are bigger rooms, and I really want this little Tikes doll piece right here, the little car that goes in there. I don't know what pieces come with it, so I'll probably do a video unboxing this soon so we can see what actually comes in it. But I love this thing because you can like move it around and put it in different, I don't know if you can see that, but you can like put it in different ways. So I'm excited to see what comes in it and then be able to kind of fill it up with things that I make and stuff that I already have made. So definitely love it. I've been wanting it. Oops, sorry. So yeah, so this is everything I got for Christmas. I love it all, and I can't wait to like get started putting everything together and showing you guys how I do it. Again, got my dollhouse kit, so I'm excited about that. And I loved all my gifts this year. Like I said, I got a couple of more mugs, and it was a really good Christmas all in all. I hope you all had an amazing holiday. We celebrate Three Kings Day, which is coming up January 6th, so holidays aren't over here yet. But one more holiday and then we'll be clear for a little while. Decorations stay up until then. My tree stays up until then. And I actually like my little holiday decorations this year. I kind of put a little bit more, put some more stuff out this year, definitely. Got my little village back there. I've been wanting to do this for a long time. I found like a whole little village at a thrift store a couple years ago and just never had anywhere to put it. And it's not really the setup that I want, but it's okay for now. I would love a home with a bay window where I can put all my little stuff on the bay window. But right now we don't have that, so prayerfully, you know, God will bless us with a home and I can do that. But yeah, I hope you all had an amazing holiday. If you haven't already, be sure to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. If you're not following me over on TikTok, be sure to head on over there, follow me there. Instagram, I haven't been posting as much. I'm going to try and be better. Facebook, I have all that stuff, so be sure to, you know, check me out over there. Sometimes I'll just randomly post some stuff that I don't post here, so definitely check me out over there. And I've got a lot of content in mind. I'm hoping to fix up my little craft area so that I have a more comfortable place to craft. Like right now I just kind of craft wherever. Sometimes I'm in my living room, sometimes I'm in my kitchen, at my desk downstairs. It's just, I need a spot where I can actually put all my stuff and it just be there when I'm ready to work on it. So yeah, so we're working on it, and I would really love to be in a new home, our home, that we can kind of make our own. Like, we're here, this is a rental, and I love it. I'm grateful for it. I thank God for it every day. But you know, there's only so much you can do in a rental, and we just don't have the space that we need here. So I'm definitely praying that God blesses us with a home this coming year. And I definitely have some work to put in. I haven't been posting. I haven't been, you know, doing what I want to do. And we're we're gonna change that. We're definitely going to change that. I've had some health issues. My son has had some things going on. So we're going to get it together. We're going to get it together. We're going to definitely get it together. I also have another YouTube channel, Java Jesus and Journaling with Melissa, which I'm going to be working on as well. I want to do a Bible study. I wanted to do it this year, but it just didn't work out. So I'm praying that I can get that together, hopefully be working on some like prayer boards, maybe, I guess, vision boards, prayer boards for 2024. Hoping I can get that done before the new year. We are at what, the 28th, so 9:30. So I have a few days. Hopefully, prayerfully, I can get that in. I really want to have like a prayer board party or get together, but don't know. Don't know what's going to happen there. But yeah, so that is it, guys. Thank you so much for everyone who has supported me throughout my time here. I think I've been on, what, 2 years now? And it's been interesting. I've, hoped for more growth and being more consistent, and life has been kicking my butt. But we're working on it, and God's gonna make a way. I know, I just got to put some more work into it and just kind of have to work on it. So thank you to everyone who has stuck around and has been with me and has just supported me throughout my time here. There's a good portion of you that have just stuck with me, and I appreciate you guys so much. You just have no idea. It's been rough. It's been a rough year. It's been a rough few years, and just praying for a break. But yeah, that is it for today, guys. I appreciate you all so much. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and check me out on all my other socials. And that is it for today. Until next time, you guys be blessed and be the reason someone smiles. Bye.